SIMpro is one simple solution for your phone. We all know the frustration of using multiple SIM cards. Been there, done that. It's annoying and time-consuming to change SIM cards when traveling or when switching between business and personal modes. Imagine having an extra SIM slot always available. SIMpro is a SIM card adapter that easily connects to your smart devices via Bluetooth. Once the device is connected to your phone, you can take advantage of a second SIM card slot to change between cards seamlessly, be it for data, calls, or just switching numbers anywhere at any time. SIMpro is the one solution that is changing how we use our smartphones. SIMpro is essential if you have to carry two phones. With SIMpro, two bulky phones become one. After having downloaded the SIMpro app, you can now easily shift between SIM cards using only one device. And you can even record your phone conversation with the app. With SIMpro, everything becomes simpler and more organized. There are many cases that prove the convenience of using SIMpro. Use data and switch between your devices with SIMpro whenever and wherever.
We are MIOPS, the creator of the best camera trigger for high-speed photography, funded successfully at Kickstarter 2 years ago. Now, we are back with the world's most versatile mobile camera remote. Forget all camera remotes you knew before. We combine the capabilities of your smartphone with your camera. Meet MIOPS Mobile. It will be your best friend in photography, thanks to its dozens of creative modes. Use motion mode to capture wild animals, intruders, or practically anything that moves. If you dream of taking the coolest pictures possible, then trust MIOPS Mobile to capture the funny moments. MIOPS Mobile captures every shot, every time, no matter how many times you jump, and jump. If you feel like jumping in the air rather than water, MIOPS Mobile is ready for you again. Just fix your smartphone to the pole and make your best slam dunk. The MIOPS Mobile app will detect the vibration and tell your camera to take the picture. Isn't that the coolest use of the vibration mode? With MIOPS Mobile, you can have a lot of fun by making some big noise. MIOPS Mobile ties into your smartphone's microphone to allow you to take great screaming self-portraits just by celebrating with all the joy you have. The compact form of MIOPS Mobile makes it ideal for travel, and we've created unique capture modes to accompany you on these trips. While it's on the road, the MIOPS Mobile's Road Lapse mode keeps telling your camera to take a picture in every, let's say 30 meters. How can it do that? We call it the Get a Picture Sensor. Isn't that what GPS stands for? Nothing is better to tell a long-form story than time-lapse video, but it takes a lot of pre-planning to get great images for your time-lapse. With time-lapse mode, MIOPS Mobile does all the hard work for you. Once you tell the app what you have in mind, it takes care of hours of exposure while you can enjoy the view. On top of ordinary time-lapse, MIOPS Mobile offers long exposure and bulb ramping modes to make day-to-night and night time-lapse videos as well. To make things even better, we have designed the HDR time-lapse mode. Every step of the time-lapse is an HDR photo. In addition to these capture modes, MIOPS Mobile is packed with its own amazing long exposure shutter release modes. Press and lock, press and hold, as well as the timed release functions, can turn star trail photography into a piece of cake. While each of these unique capture modes will help spark your creativity, we are especially excited to show you our scenario mode. This is where the sky is the limit. You can use any of these standalone modes sequentially to create your own unique story. Moreover, schedule your desired mode or sequence to any time and enjoy your life. We all walk around every day with a powerful photographic tool in our pockets. Now with MIOPS Mobile, we can harness that power to realize our unique photographic vision. MIOPS Mobile. Leave the control of your camera to your smartphone.
We've entered the age of personal manufacturing, but when it comes to making durable things in your own shop, there's still no easy way to cut hard materials.
As makers and engineers, we need to work with all materials, so we built a machine that could, the first desktop waterjet.
WAZER works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
It's great for any workshop. It cuts every material, it's compact and contained, and it's digital, so you can make precise cuts that are impossible to make any other way.
As an industrial designer, I've used a variety of desktop fabrication tools, but they tend to be very limited by the durability of the materials you can use on those machines. With a desktop waterjet, we can go from design to component to fitting that component and testing within a couple of hours. That's an incredibly powerful tool.
As a jeweler and an artist, with the work I make, I spend a lot of time hand cutting. So right now I'm selling pieces sort of as almost limited edition because I can't physically output them, not because I want to be making in a limited edition. WAZER would allow me to not only make a lot more, but also to lower the price point so they'd be available to a broader audience.
I think, people tend to have their ideas constrained by their tools and the things they're capable of working with. And having a waterjet cutter, which has the ability to cut a broader range of materials, hard materials like steel and glass, will be enabling and make them think in different ways and have them build different things they couldn't build before.
The future of manufacturing is in custom local fabrication. People will be able to make things in their own workshop that they can use every single day and will last a lifetime.
As mechanical, electrical, and manufacturing engineers, we've designed products, manufactured components, and set up assembly lines in the past.
Now we're preparing for production, but we need enough orders to produce the machines cost-effectively.
We've created a unique desktop tool, and we're really looking forward to all the amazing things that people create with it.
Sleep. It's one of the most important things to our lives. A lot of wearables track sleep, but tracking sleep doesn't necessarily mean improved sleep. But what if we could change that? What if we could create a wearable which not only tracked your sleep, but improved your sleep at the same time? At Thim, we're doing just that, and we want to work with you, the Kickstarter community, to bring this project to life.
We sleep for 1/3 of our lives, but it affects us around the clock. The benefit of falling asleep faster is that you can get more out of every day. I think the most exciting thing is that we can change people's lives.
Thim helps you to fall asleep quicker, and this will ultimately lead to more sleep across the night. The development of Thim is really based on a lot of excellent university research that has shown a better way of improving sleep. But for the first time now, Thim allows this to be translated into the home environment. Start by placing Thim on any of your fingers before you go to bed. Thim will then accurately determine when you fall asleep to the nearest minute. The algorithm then implements a retraining program to allow people to fall asleep more quickly that has been used by researchers for the last 10 years. This is a simple behavioral approach to improve your sleep. But for the first time, Thim allows this to be carried out in your own home. This is a way to teach people to sleep better, and from our own research, we know that it works.
Thim is about more than helping you to get to sleep quicker. Thim can also help you take the perfect power nap. Research from NASA found that their astronauts performed 34% better having taken power naps. The secret to a perfect power nap is sleeping for exactly 10 minutes. 5 minutes won't do much for you, and sleeping for 20 minutes will leave you feeling groggy once you wake up. The incredible accuracy of Thim, of knowing when you fall asleep to the minute, allows you to take the perfect power nap for the first time. Thim also collects your sleep data and provides you a sleep score so that over time you can see how your sleep is improving.
Here at Thim, we've been heads down building for some time. We're a team of researchers, designers and engineers who collectively have built products that people around the world use and love. Our most recent invention was the retimer, which received worldwide acclaim. At Thim, we've reinvented the wearable for sleep. Our research is based on a peer-reviewed evidence base. This is more than a step forward. This is a quantum leap for how we use sleep technologies.
We wanted our design to represent the ability to disconnect and dream. We wanted to engineer something that you forgot you were wearing. We've done just that. Fitting the components into such a small and light package has been a challenge. We've gone through hundreds of iterations. We've given our 3D printer a serious workout. With every iteration, we've learned something new and it's definitely improved our design. The journey so far has been thoroughly rewarding. I'm really looking forward to seeing what's to come.
We would love to work with the Kickstarter community as we go through the final design considerations for this wearable. This is your chance to be part of something where we change the face of wearable technologies forever. We'd love you to be part of it, and you can do that by clicking the green button. Thank you.
Music inspires us, fuels our workouts, our adventures, and our dreams. Built to ignite your passion, Catalyst provides the perfect wireless sport earbud experience. It's a symphony of form, function, and fashion. It's the solution you've been waiting for. We set out to solve the 5 biggest pain points that plague wireless earbud users while revolutionizing the listening experience. Mediocre sound quality, sweat and water resistant earbuds that aren't sweat or water resistant, uncomfortable earbuds that don't fit well and fall out of your ears, even with the ugly ear hooks or neck mounted collars, poor battery life, and ugly, unfashionable earbuds that are too embarrassing to wear outside the gym. To solve these problems, we brought together a team of experts in engineering, ergonomics, acoustics, and hearing sciences. Together, we produced innovative solutions with never before seen or heard technologies to make Catalyst the most complete wireless sport earbud ever.
Our mission with Catalyst is simple. We want to create a product that will enhance the lives of active people who love music. We sought out to not only solve the issues that were keeping people from even wanting to try wireless earbuds, but to create something totally unique and special in the process. Catalyst will redefine the wireless earbud experience in ways that we didn't even know were possible 12 months ago.
To create an immersive listening experience, we equipped Catalyst with a precision-tuned hybrid driver setup pairing 2 balanced armature drivers with 2 dynamic drivers. The balanced armature drivers isolate high-end frequencies, while the dynamic drivers act as a built-in subwoofer, providing a bass that you can feel.
I get jammed to these. I feel like I'm in my own world. I have Beats, and I would buy these hand over fist.
Sweat and water damage are the #1 reason earbuds break. So we went ahead and coated every single internal part of Catalyst with a proprietary hydrophobic solution. This makes Catalyst so sweat-proof that you can dunk them underwater for 30 minutes and they'll still function like new. Everyone's ears are different, and getting the right fit is essential. We addressed fit and stability on 3 fronts. First, we worked with one of the most esteemed PhD audiologists in the country to design an earbud housing that's smaller, which in turn lowers the center of gravity in your ear and fits both large and small ears more comfortably. We developed a weightless stabilization system that melds with the natural curves and movements of your body. The stabilizers take the stress off of your ears, fuse to your neckline, providing you a feeling of weightless freedom. We developed 2 different low-profile earbud stabilizers, each ergonomically optimized to comfortably lock into your ears. In total, Catalyst provides 144 unique combinations of stabilizers and ear tips, allowing you to achieve the perfect custom fit for your ears.
I don't see them ever falling out.
They fit so well. Like, there's no chance of them falling out.
To ensure that Catalyst keeps up with your active life, we specifically tooled 3 batteries, including a mobile charging clip that magnetically attaches to Catalyst to provide you that extra juice when you need it most. Catalyst provides 2.5 times the battery life of the most popular sport earbuds. On top of that, we used a special noise isolating microphone that's been specifically tuned to identify, isolate, and eliminate background noise so that your voice will be crystal clear in any environment. The bottom line is that wireless earbuds are ugly. We built Catalyst knowing that our customers wanted something that not only meets their needs functionally, but it makes the right statement.
They're so pretty. I would wear them around.
These things are really, really sharp, really clean.
At every turn, we worked with fashion bloggers to ensure that Catalyst exudes that transcending class with which you live and be the perfect accessory for your journey.
This project is the culmination of 7 years of research, passion, and love. Every single detail has been carefully thought out. It's not just the sound quality, it's not just the battery life, the fact that it's extremely durable and waterproof, the fact that it stays in your ears, and it looks good when you're wearing it. Every single detail has been considered, and Catalyst delivers on all fronts. We need your help to bring Catalyst to life. We're already way past the concept stage. We've started the tooling process, and we're just days away from kicking off manufacturing. Back us now and be among the first to get Catalyst at an exclusive discount through Kickstarter. Together, we can transform the future of wireless earbuds.